the 24th National Para-Swimming Championship being held in Goa for the first time. This event brings together over 518 para-swimmers competing in 300 races who are participating from 28 different states. And additionally, we have about over 300 officials who have come down to make this grand event a very successful one. You know, I'm thrilled to acknowledge that our venue, the SAJ swimming pool, has been made fully accessible, meeting international standards. And thanks to the unwavering support of Honorable Minister for Sports, Sri Govinda Gaudeji, and our own Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawantji, we appreciate